Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well and having a great day. If you're new to my channel, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, motherhood and a little bit of everything really. So today's video is going to be an Aldi haul. So I've got a little bit of grocery shopping and I've also got some amazing homeware. Yeah, so Aldi always surprises me with the homeware, you know. So if you'd like to see what I picked up in Aldi, please keep watching. Okay, so the first item is this bag of Italian salad. We absolutely love Aldi's Italian salad. This one is a strong and peppery one, so you've got that nice flavour inside the salad. Really tasty. So we've got that. I picked up some salmon. Absolutely love salmon. We're actually eating more vegetables and fish these days rather than the meat. You get 2 salmon fillets. Absolutely delicious. Love those. This is new for Aldi. This is garlic pizza bread, so I thought I'd give that a try. You know, it looks really lovely. The box looks very similar to Domino Pizza. I think Aldi are trying to do that. So yeah, it's Aldi's own idea of takeaway. So I thought I'd give that a try. So that's the garlic pizza bread. Okay, so next I picked up our go-to, which is the margherita pizza. I always get the one that's in the yellow box because we just prefer it. And also it tastes like homemade pizza, you know. So like I said in my last Aldi haul, we actually put our own toppings on this. So we'll throw sweet corn on there, pineapple, you know, whatever we fancy. We just throw it all on the pizza and it comes out so yummy and tasty. So that's the margherita pizza there. Okay, so next I picked up some mixed peppers. We can't get enough of mixed peppers. I use this in mainly every dish, you know, and also I tend to just slice these and then Oakley will snack on them. Very good healthy option and very tasty as well. And that's those mixed peppers. I picked up some organic eggs. So with the mixed peppers, you can make a nice omelette. I don't know if you guys have tried the organic eggs from Aldi, but honestly, they're so tasty. I mean, I have tried other brands, but I always go back to get the Aldi ones. Really nice. In fact, all of the Aldi eggs. I mean, we also get their free range eggs. And actually, I forgot to show you because very large eggs. So this is class A, very large eggs, and they are very big. I mean, I just take one out. It's a large egg, so thought I'd give those a try, and they are free range, so that's those. Okay, so next up I've got some broccoli. Oakley absolutely loves broccoli. I'm so grateful for that because he's only 3 years old and he absolutely loves these vegetables. So I'll just steam these down for him and he will just snack on them as well. I absolutely love them as well. Very nice with salmon, so that's what I'm actually going to be making tonight. A salmon dish with some broccoli and some vegetables. So I've got that. Okay, so next up I picked up some strawberries. Again, we can't get enough of strawberries. Oakley likes to have them for breakfast alongside with his toast and avocado. So I got those. Next up is an item that I wasn't actually expecting to see in Aldi, and it's pomegranate. Fresh pomegranate, guys. Oh my goodness, we love pomegranate. It's such a healthy fruit. It's one of the most healthiest fruits on the planet, you know. So Aldi are doing this and I'll be amazing. Love that. Okay, so next up I picked up some lemons and I also got some ginger. You know, I like to do a lemon and ginger tea. I like to have it hot or cold actually. It's so nice and refreshing. So I got those. Okay, so next up I picked up some more coconut water. Absolutely love Aldi's coconut water. It's so refreshing, so tasty and really good price as well. So okay, so next I picked up some picked olives. Absolutely love olives. What we do is we season them up with garlic and mixed herbs and some other spices, and it tastes really delicious. They're so lovely to snack on. I got those, and they also do the black olives as well. They didn't have any in stock today, so I couldn't get them, but I will go back and get the black olives as well, because I like to do a mix of the 2 olives together. Really, really nice. So that's that. So next up is one of our go-tos from Aldi, which is their sweet chili sauce. Really delicious, really tasty. Can't get enough of this. We have this with nearly every meal, and yeah, so that's that. Okay, so next I picked up some avocados. You get 2 avocados in a pack. I absolutely love Aldi's avocados. I always get the ones in the twin pack. I find that they stay ripe for longer. They're nice and green, tasty, really lovely. Love those. Okay, so next I picked up some hummus. This is the Moroccan style hummus. And again, I can't get enough of this. Very tasty with sliced carrots and celery. They do about 4 different styles of hummus, but we always love to get the Moroccan one. So that's that. Okay, so next up I picked up these crisps in Aldi. These are similar to the ones that I normally get in Poundland. They call it the multi-grain wave crisps, and you get 6 in a packet. And it's also the sour cream with black pepper. So I've got those. I'm going to try those out. So that's that. Okay, so next up I picked up a packet of celery. I do like celery sticks with the Moroccan hummus. Really tasty, really delicious and healthy snack option as well. So I've got that. Okay, so this is some naughty bits now, or you know, not so healthy bits, but we're not eating them all at one time. So small box of hazelnut chocolate. Since I discovered this in Aldi, this has been my go-to. This is their Turkish Delight and it's really tasty. It's very similar to the Fries. You remember you used to get the Fries Turkish Delight in this own little, you know, the Fries Turkish Delight in the little block thing. This tastes very similar to that, so I got that. So next up I picked up some milk. Love this in cereal and porridge, and Oakley still has milk. He has the whole milk, so we got this. And I picked up these coconut and lime king prawns. Oh my goodness, these are so delicious. This is new in for Aldi, but they're absolutely gorgeous. You can cook them from frozen. You can have a meal ready in just 15 minutes. Just a bit of basmati rice with this and a bit of salad on the side, you're good to go. Really, really tasty. And like I said, you can cook them from frozen. So that's those there. So next up I picked up some chunky and golden straight cut chips. These are very tasty. They've used sunflower oil in them, so quite a healthy option. I know it's quite easy to make your own chips, but this is just practical sometimes, you know, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so they're made with no artificial colours and flavourings and also preservatives, so it's almost like making your own homemade chips, you know. They're nice chunky chips. What I tend to do, I do like a posh fish and chips, do like salmon and chips or fish and chips, and I'll put the chips inside here. This is something that I also picked up from Poundland. I know it's not Aldi, but I just show it to you. Okay, so next up I picked up a pack of these chicken croutons. They're so tasty. We tend to have these for lunch every now and again with a bit of salad on the side. I always go for the southern fried one because they're that much tastier. So I got those. Okay, so the next item I'm going to show you is not actually from Aldi, it's from Poundland, but I forgot to add it to my Poundland haul. And it's these bamboo cotton buds. It's the brand XBC. I think this is quite new for Poundland. And it's the Expel Body Care. Now, I'm just going to open it up and just show you what they look like. So this is what they look like. The stick is wooden, of course, it's a bamboo stick. And then the cotton bit on the top is made with 100% cotton. And these are also biodegradable. You get 300 cotton buds in the box. And I actually like the box as well, actually. The box can come in handy for a nice DIY. But yeah, I got those, and they're also kind and gentle. So kind and gentle to the skin. These were just £1 in Poundland. So I'm just adding it to this video. I know it's not a Poundland haul, but I did actually forget to add them to my Poundland haul. So that's those there. So that's all the food items. Now I'm going to show you a few cleaning products that I got from Aldi. So I picked up this in there. This is the 1001 Carpet Fresh, and it's the pet one. This is the Thai Orchid fragrance. So I haven't actually smelt this one before. I'm just gonna spray a little bit in there. It smells really nice. Smells really nice. So I've got that. In my last Aldi haul, I did actually pick this up. This is the Fabulosa. It's the Fabulosa disinfectant spray, very similar to the Sephora. This one is the scent of lemon and mint together. Really nice. Such a refreshing, clean smell when you know when you're using it around the house. So I've got that. Okay, so next up I picked up some DIY items from Aldi, and I've actually used some of these items before and they're just amazing. You know, so I'm going to show you, okay? So I picked up some metallic spray paint. I was thinking metallic, silver, is that not the same? This one was reduced to $1.99 and this one was $3.99. So I thought maybe it's the same thing, but they just changed the name. 400 mils in each can, so that's brilliant. Okay, so next I saw this, and this was also in the reduced section. It's Claire Furniture Wax, £2.49, guys. I upcycled our dining table a few years back. It was that bright yellow pine colour. We stripped it all down, sanded it all down. We used the chalk paint from Aldi, some wax from B&Q, and it was a lot more expensive than this. But I'm sure this is going to do the same job. So I've got that anyway. So yeah, really, really handy to have because you never know when you're going to need it. So I've got that. Okay, so talking about chalk paint, they also had chalk paint in stock. I've got the charcoal one and I also got it in white. $3.99 for each of these cans of chalk paint, guys. And they're absolutely amazing. That's amazing value. Chalk paint, so you can't go wrong. $3.99, guys. I've got that in Aldi just today. If you need any, get to your Aldi quick and get them and just stock up, you know, stock up because they are very good quality. Can't get enough of Aldi's homeware. Now, they seem to amaze me all the time. So, I'll show you what I've just picked up in Aldi. Okay, so I managed to get these two gorgeous baskets. You can use them all around the house. Thinking kitchen vibe, potato, onion, you know, vegetable kind of basket. And I just absolutely love them. They're a really good size. I almost use it as a trendy shopping basket. So, you know, you can just be going along, you know, putting little bits of shopping in there. Really, really nice. This bit is metal And then you've got this lovely wooden handle. I think the wooden handle is bamboo. And these were just $3.99 each in Aldi. So I picked up 2 of them. Now, aren't they gorgeous? Okay, so that's those 2. The next item is quite a boring one, but it's a practical one for the kitchen. So I picked up this can opener. It's also got a bottle opener bit on the end there as well. The one that we've got already has seen better days. I think it's actually from Aldi as well, but like years and years and years and years ago. So I picked this one up, just really nice. Oh yeah, tags here. This was $2.99. Okay, so the next item is another homeware item. I was really surprised that Aldi still had them in because these came out about 2 months ago. Now, I was looking out for them. I've been in Aldi so many times. This one was hidden underneath some other items, so I was so happy to get it. Again, it was the last one left. So let me show you guys. Okay, so what it is this wicker or rattan style tray. I absolutely love it. They did actually have like a condiment holder and also a napkin holder as well to go with this, but I wasn't really that much interested in them. This is what I was really interested in. It's a large style wicker tray. I was so happy that I got it. It's amazing how happy you can be at just getting one item, but it's so gorgeous. I mean, look at it, guys. How gorgeous it is. It's got these stainless steel handles. Got this gorgeous light grey colour. I'm obsessed. I absolutely love it. This came in at just $3.99. Amazing, amazing. Love it. Okay, so the next item I picked up is another boring kitchen item. A frying pan. This was just $2.99. Just love the grey colour here as well. It also had it in the navy blue colour, that kind of Oxford blue kind of, you know, that deep blue colour. Well, I got the grey. Okay, so the next item, I actually purchased it on the Aldi website, and it's something that the whole family can enjoy. So last year we had some gorgeous weather in the UK. I must say we wasn't fully prepared for it. So tried to get some swimming pools from all the regular stores, and they were all sold out. So this year I wasn't going to make that mistake. So I saw that Aldi was selling family pools, you know, family blow up pools, swimming pools. So I went into store, they never had any. But on their website online, they had quite a few still in stock. So let me show you guys. So I managed to pick up this jumbo size pool. It takes 370 litres, 60%. Wait, that's what it says on the box anyway. It takes 376 litres, 60%. It's perfect for us as a small family. Myself, my husband and little Oakley. So it actually weighs 3.5 kilograms. I will insert the link for the Aldi's website where you can actually purchase this swimming pool. And would you believe we got this just $12.99. $12.99. What a bargain. What a bargain. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so next up, I can't believe that I saw this in Aldi. Look at these glasses, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at these glasses. They're a set of wine glasses. They came in at $7.99, and I just had to have them because just for the shape of them alone, how gorgeous they are. I'm trying to do it so my light's not reflecting on it. The only thing that I forgot to pick up was a bottle of Prosecco or a bottle of wine to go with it. So, you know, I'm going to have to go back in tomorrow and pick up their organic Prosecco. That's what I really wanted to get, but I don't know, I was a bit distracted. So I was a bit distracted just by the glasses. It's so lovely. So that's what I'm going to go back in tomorrow and pick that up to go with these glasses. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I shall see you on the next video. So take care, keep well, bye.